एपिसोड चालू कर
ग्रेट।
ये रह रहा है. This is going to stay in the episode.
ये तो भाई।
Guys, if you want to hear more of Varun Jodhwala, please buy tickets for Makasam in London
इफ
on the 29th of June.
अच्छा ठीक है, ऐसा कर रहा है. नहीं, बराबर करते हैं
हाँ.
ब्रो. चल, नहीं, प्रॉपर्ली करते हैं, प्रॉपर्ली करते हैं. एपिसोड.
Guys, we need to promote our show. 29th of June.
हाँ, अभी अभी अभी
एपिसोड चालू करने के लिए फक.
अभी
एपिसोड चालू करने के
अभी
पहले,
रुक 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 रुक।
Wait.
3, 2, 1 गो।
एपिसोड चालू करने के पहले फटाफट टिकट की बेचन कर लेते हैं. आदर शुरू कर.
Guys, 29th June, we're going to be doing Mark Kasam. It is our most interactive show yet. Guys, we really talk to the audience. You guys get to engage with us. We engage with you. And on top of that, you get to come on stage and share your stories. And then we get to dissect your stories and see if they're true or false. So
And
this
if
is
you
the
come with your
best.
partner,
most-
we can get you engaged also, because
Yeah.
Free
That's
of
the
cost.
I
highest
could say
engagement.
engaged one more time.
Engaged.
Also, in addition to London, we're also doing Canada. So 4th and 5th July is Canada. Canada, very few tickets left. So
Yeah,
please
3
get them
shows
soon.
almost sold out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
तो थर्ड शो में थोड़े बचे तो लेके उसको भी सोल्ड आउट कर दो. एंड फाइनली उसके बाद हो रहा है मेरा यूएस स्टोर. टिकट्स आर ऑल अवेलेबल नीचे, तो प्लीज खरीद लो, प्लीज आ जाओ, शो को सोल्ड आउट करो और हमारे पीएनएल को ब्लेस करो. ऑल्सो इंडिया में भी शो हो रहा है, मुंबई में हो रहा है.
इंडिया में भी हो रहा है.
भाई इंडिया वालों को नहीं भूल सकते. एक्चुअली सिर्फ मुंबई में हो रहा है 14th and 15th of June. वेरी फ्यू टिकट्स लेफ्ट. और थोड़ा इधर उधर मेरा स्टैंड अप भी हो रहा है, तो आओ देख लो. ऑल टिकट्स आर इन द लिंक बिलो. एंड या थैंक यू सो मच. और चालू करते हैं आज का एपिसोड. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Said So, a show where we take random shit and weird facts that even up the stories and we talk about it. And today's topic is something that has gotten a lot of us divided. Because internet divided as a overall idea is so funny because it takes very little for
Very
the internet to get divided. Okay? Any of these news pieces, stories, when they come out, like the way it's covered is the same. ठीक है. पीस ऑफ न्यूज सडनली इट कॉट द अटेंशन ऑफ नेटिजन्स. ठीक है, जो पूरा टाइम बैठे ऐसे सामने, एंड इमीडिएटली देयर वाज अ barrage of comments and the internet was divided in no time.
Basically, you just need 1,000 retweets. 1,000, that's the magic number. Sometimes less than that, but 1,000 if you hit, it is going to be a news piece. You know it, it's happening.
But I think it's a lot of time it's just manufactured. Like sometimes it's just Urvashi Rotella gets stuck indoor, internet divided. Why?
Yeah,
Why?
yeah, no, that is also true. Ki there is rage bait also now. Like imagine the fact that we have a concept called rage bait and
Yeah.
engagement bait. Like it's what a crazy world we live in. By the way, can I start with something that the internet is actually unanimous on?
Wow.
Huh?
That's a first.
Everyone has loved the Himesh concert.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm not surprised. Across my bro Instagrams, जितने भी लोगों के स्टोरीज देख रहा हूँ, मतलब ऐसे फोमो हुआ मुझे कि यार इधर
And
होना चाहिए था.
मुझे फोमो नहीं हुआ क्योंकि
तो
मैं
क्या तू गया था
हाँ
कॉन्सर्ट के
उधर.
लिए?
Yes, dude, it was really good. It was really
I'm
good.
sure it was because the songs are still fucking awesome.
Yeah,
That's
bangers.
the thing.
It
The
was a
songs are
mix.
banging.
It was a mix between peak irony and competent concert. Like it was just like amazing Mishran. And I have to tell you just two things, okay, of note. So the one thing that's already gone viral is at some point he stops the show and he says, "He regular gaun ya naak se gaun?" And the
Kill.
crowd went wild.
Kill.
That's one. The second thing.
It's the Pani Puri guy going tikha ya sada.
So that's one. The second non-Himesh thing that happened. Okay, this was what a crazy thing. So basically, Siddhi and I were at the concert, and in front of us there was this girl. Okay, now just picture this: Himesh is on stage. Okay, in his garb with his mic up and cap on, and he's
Like
belting
Gujarati
it.
Undertaker.
Yeah, dude, he was belting it. He was sururing it. He was tanduring it. It was amazing. Now he's
हाँ
giving it everything. In front of me, there's a girl who is not paying attention to him at all because she is on her phone. Now I'm like, okay, what is so amazing that has distracted you from a live concert? So I like, I peeked. She was first having a chat with Agio customer care.
Wow. कि उसकी हैट मंगाई थी वो टाइम पे नहीं आई. I'm feeling left out at this concert. Everybody's in a fucking hat. Where's my hat?
So one is she's fighting with Agio, okay? Then she
हाँ.
switches tabs, okay? Goes from Agio customer care to Swiggy Instamart customer care.
Wait, Swiggy is delivering at the concert.
That's
No, no,
insane, bro.
ट्रेन के बाद उन लोग ने एंड ही जस्ट तंदूरी सेक्शन में तंदूरी चिकन.
एक कैप और एक तंदूरी.
हाँ.
No, so you know what she did? This is where it got even crazier, right? So now I have also forgotten Himesh. I'm invested in whatever is going on her phone, right? So she's like, furiously, like the way that sometimes Thakur gets angry and he types, na, कि ऐसा दबा
अरे
दबा
बहुत
के
फनी.
बोल
ठाकुर
बोल
एंग्री
के
इज द फनीएस्ट.
angry typing. So, so she's like, ये वो, and she says, मेरे लीची सड़े हुए थे, right? Bad,
लीची.
bad smell
हाँ.
coming from lychee, okay? So
But what a place to remember that.
And to go through with the complaint, like उसको network कैसे मिल रहा है? ये सब करने के लिए, bro, 4 करोड़ लोग थे. Everybody was, I mean, I'm sure everybody is using their phones,
So
Instagram.
everyone's phone was up, her phone was down. She
Yeah.
was like, bro. So
I'd love it. I'd love it if the customer care person called, "Ma'am, are you sick?" And then just Himesh just goes,
Oh,
oh, ma'am, okay, we'll send you a refund immediately."
तो सुनना अदर उसने क्या स्कैम
हाँ.
क्या गेम खेला है ब्रो. इट्स अमेजिंग. So what she has done is basically she says लीची सड़े हुए हैं. So the customer care bot slash person has said, ma'am, can you send picture of lychee to prove that you got order? Now she is at Himesh concert, right? So she's like, fuck, how do I send it? So she straight goes to Google, types lychee, finds image of lychee, takes screenshot, crops it, sends it. It's done.
अरे बट स्पॉइल्ड लीची है ना, उसने नॉर्मल ऐसे कोई लीची हैंग करते और
नहीं
उसका
नहीं नहीं, गंदा लीची
बोला
लीचा.
है बोला है
लीची
smell
look
was
fine.
coming. You can't get smell from photograph. She thought of everything.
भाई.
ये तो
भाई साहब.
Wow, bro, but crazy.
फुल पैसा
Please
वसूल.
don't do these scams.
Yes.
Scam बता दिया पब्लिक को
Yes.
अगर तुमको लीची चाहिए. बट ये बहुत लोगों ने किया है because many a times like they ask you to please share a picture of, like, you complain about the quality of food and they're like, send a picture. I'm like, okay, I'll send you the picture. It looks exactly like how you sent it. The food isn't tasty. It's the same picture with one bite and the food isn't tasty. अभी ये टेस्ट को मैं तेरे को ये फोटो में कैसे भेजूं अभी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
No, but the fact that she was doing this, the fact that she couldn't get it out of her mind, despite Himesh giving it his all, and like she was doing it at a concert, just blew my mind. It was crazy.
So let's see if the taste audience is divided at this. Guys, what do you think about this girl being on customer care at a Himesh concert? Are you on her side or are you on Himesh's side? Let us know in the comments.
But social media cheating is going on another level nowadays because I've stumbled across this one video where a contractor was supposed to make a cemented road in a gaon. So what he's done is he has clicked a photo of the road that he has to fix. So he's been contracted to fix this road. Okay, it's a dirt road. तो ये भाई गया है फोटो क्लिक करके चैट जीपीटी पे और चैट जीपीटी को बोला है इसको सीमेंट रोड बनाओ. तो नाउ द फोटो एडिट हैज कम एज द सीमेंट रोड. He has sent it to the municipal contractor and the municipal contractor has replied saying, अरे बहुत अच्छा, आप अपना बिल भेज दो.
Wow!
Much better than Lychee Woman.
Wow, bro.
मतलब, do you agree with this scam?
This is
That's
crazy.
crazy.
This
Bro,
is crazy.
ये तो बाप है. फिर से सारे
Imagine,
रोड फिक्स हो गए इधर बॉम्बे का.
yeah, Bombay
But
का
that-
सारा potholes fix.
That explains Mumbai, by the way. I think all contractors in Mumbai have been doing the same thing. कि ये ले
हाँ.
DN Nagar fixed.
अरे भाई
वहां पे
मुंबई
आदमी
की
बैठा
अगर
हुआ है,
बात
अरे
कर रहे हैं
गोखले ब्रिज तो 10 साल से पहले बना हुआ है। अरे 10 साल, ये क्या?
और गलती से दूसरा कोई ब्रिज का फोटो भेज दिया है, लंदन ब्रिज टाइप नीचे से शिप जा रही है, अरे इधर तो ट्रेन जाती थी, शिप कैसे जा रहा है? अरे सर आजकल हम लोग
अरे
बहुत
बारिश
एकदम
बारिश,
मस्त बारिश
बहुत बारिश
बारिश
हुआ था।
पड़ते रहता था ना सर, बारिश पानी जम जाता था, बोला शिप ही चालू करते, तो शिप चालू कर दिया अभी, तो गोखले ब्रिज के नीचे शिप है और ट्रेन वो बंद कर दिया।
Okay, the next crazy thing that has happened on the internet, actually in the world, which the internet has immediately been divided by, is this crazy thing. So, Sydney Sweeney,
ओ ब्रो शिट
who is as they call it, uh, international crush,
हाँ ग्लोबल ग्लोबल क्रश, ग्लोबल
global crush,
इंटरनेशनल, एक नेशनल क्रश होता है ना तो
national crush,
हाँ
and then
हाँ,
then there is global crush, right?
नेशनल
So,
क्रश वाज, हु वाज recent national crush?
it
तृप्ति
changes
डिमरी।
it changes
हाँ
every
yeah.
week सब
हाँ,
नेशनल क्रश, अभी तृप्ति डिमरी नेशनल क्रश कोई
नहीं,
और
एक there was somebody at a cricket match also ना, that had become national crush.
Bro, ek to they need
या
to rein in. They really need to rein in some of these cameramen because, like, I mean, at this point, it's getting ridiculous. Ki,
buddy, one second, I saw a reel where they showed that while watching you can select one specific mode where the cameraman is literally focusing on the crowd and at
what?
the women. So like
What?
no, there's a reel out there, bro. I will find out and I will show it to you. And I was like, wait, what? How can you select this
There
like
has to
that?
be a
Camera
mode.
mode.
This has to
Ah,
be
I
shopkeeper
think
shouting
no, but it
Salman
was
Khan at the end. Come
insane.
on.
I don't think this was AI. Double check, it wasn't AI. It's literally you see a girl, he zooms in, then comes out, and then zooms in, realize it's a guy. Oh shit, no point. Then comes out again. Not even
So,
kidding.
meaning the pressure on women going to stadiums now is just like, out
अबे dude,
of
it's
the
just that
roof.
whole. So yesterday I saw another headline which said like, so जब कोहली जीता, so Anushka came to hug him, okay, and the headline was Anushka Sharma's so she was wearing a Rolex and it was a very pretty watch, but Anushka Sharma's Rolex steals the show. I mean, I mean, it was the final. They won. I don't think the Rolex is taking stealing the thunder from
Krunal
Virat
Pandya
Kohli
stole the
winning.
show, if anything.
But that
Stole
was
the
insane,
show.
bro. 18 साल के बाद और Krunal was too good.
And then
Yeah.
followed right after, obviously, by tragic.
Yeah, dude, that was insane. That was so like
Painful to watch for
no, and it's
Mumbai
sad that
Indian
it keeps
fans.
happening, man. Like it,
Yeah.
why are we not able to manage like crowd better? Like it was, I some of the images coming out from there was really sad. You're like,
And it
Mhm.
it puts a full dampener on this achievement, right? Ki like there was so much jubilation, so much celebration. Like मैंने एक video देखा Twitter पे, it was hilarious. There was a cop is basically so it's right after the match has ended. Okay, cop is now trying to clear out people, but एक बंदा इतना दारू पी लिया, ठीक है, वो रोड पे आ गया है और गाड़ी के सामने गाड़ी बोल रहा है रुक रुक रुक
और रुक रहा नाच रहा है.
Okay, then the cop has come and tried to hold his hand and pull him to the side. He has shoved the cop's hand in the
अबे
air. So, so
Bro, talking about like victory celebrations dividing the internet. Did you see after PSG won what happened in Paris?
Spain, yeah. Oh, sorry, Paris, yeah.
Paris, bro. Like
Yeah, Paris,
it
Paris.
was like पूरा जला रहे, फोड़ रहे, तोड़ रहे, राइट कर रहे, and you're like एक मिनट ये जीतने के बाद किया है. अगर
Yeah.
हारे होते तो क्या होता?
oh,
Like where does
I,
basically,
like jubilation end and like crime begin?
या
they
एक
have
आदमी कुल्हाड़ी लेके सीधा आईफिल टावर को तोड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा है अगर हार गए होते हैं
they
लोग तो.
have they have gone from arc de triomphe to arc de triomphe.
Arc de Triomphe. Seriously.
So, okay, so
हाँ.
coming back,
अच्छा हाँ,
after
सिडनी स्विनी, या
going all
इंटरनेशनल
the
क्रश.
way everywhere
Yeah.
from RCB to Paris to back. So
Hmm.
Sydney Sweeney had recently done an ad with a men's personal hygiene company called Dr. Squatch, if I'm not
Okay.
okay. Dr. Squatch. So she's done this ad, okay, where she was in a bathtub. Now, when like how in Lux they do that bathtub shot, right? It was like that.
Hmm.
So when the image of that came out,
Guys,
netizens,
please pause this video if you're going and watching that before, because then you'll miss Kautuk's story. So if you're going now and searching, but I'm sure half the people right now have opened a second tab, searching for that ad.
Sydney Sweeney bathtub. Uh,
Guys, you're highly mistaken. Half of them already have seen the picture.
it's already saved in a gallery. So, so anyway, so she she did this ad where she was in this bathtub. So netizens, okay, started joking ki I would forget the product she's selling, I would also buy the bath water that, that she was immersed in. Okay, so now Dr. Squatch heard these netizens and they were like, अच्छा रुक, demand है तो पैसा क्यों नहीं बनाया जाए? Right, so they put out a 5,000 units exclusive edition of Sydney Sweeney bath water soap.
From the ad, like that, what she shot.
Yes.
तो उन लोग ने बचा के रखा हुआ था ये पानी.
So they basically said
somewhere.
No, you don't know the mechanics of it. Maybe she had bath again. And they told her, listen, this time when you have a shower, don't drain it because you're going to make it into soap.
Here it is from the horse's mouth. So Sydney Sweeney said, when we were at the shoot, they had a tub for me. And I actually got in there and I took some soap and we had a nice little bath and they took that water. So it's my real bath water.
Straight up. And bro, internet is divided. People are like, this is gross, this is disgusting, this is gross, this is disgusting. And does it come with free shipping? Dude, people
the thing is, like, with a certain like section of guys, right? Like कि इनके दिमाग में वो है ना कि सिडनी स्वीनी का बाथ वाटर जब मेरे बाथ वाटर से मिलेगा तो इतना मजा आएगा.
I doubt that is what they're using. I don't think they're mixing that water with their water. It's just
अरे सोप है तो
shudder
नहाएगा
to
ना तो
think.
सोप के साथ क्या करेगा?
I shudder to think what they're doing with that bath water. But this is giving Indian celebrities an opportunity to sell more merchandise. Like this is just leading down a road that we shouldn't go down.
Yeah, dude, like
you can have Anil Kapoor toupees made from real Anil Kapoor.
Just back hair, chest hair, and तुम्हारे सर पे सीधा. Why use horse's hair when you can use Anil J's?
like a toupee made from
Yeah. Or just Salman Khan brake pedals. Rohit Shetty driving school would be good. That will be fun. Neville Shah invisibility cloak.
So, but yeah, I mean, like, it basically, she's also, by the way, not the first person to do this.
There's
there
more,
was-
bro. Really?
Yeah, there was a YouTuber, I think, who was, or an influencer basically. She's called Gamer Girl something. She was the first person to do bathwater, like selling
Yeah,
of
people have
bathwater.
started. A lot of these people, they bottle sweat and all and send over. All that
Parts-
shit also.
Parts are
Yeah.
getting bottled.
You know,
and
this
sent.
is exactly. This is not new. It is just to see a mainstream celebrity do it. Maybe that's why, because we've seen so many of those articles, bro. Girl bottles farts.
Yeah.
And it's
Yeah.
sold for some thousands of fucking dollars.
Bro, there is a
Put pictures
market.
of your feet online and people are buying pictures of feet. You don't
Dude,
even need
there's
to
a
put your
separate
own
section.
feet. You can just go to Google like the girl from the Image concert, take a picture of feet and put somebody else's feet.
There's a separate tab for AI feet now.
Oh my God.
Like, how can you generate a prompt that gives AI feet, and people are paying to get the AI feet photos, which they can generate themselves. But उसके लिए पैसा दे रहे हैं public.
Okay, so now speaking of images
तू
being
प्रॉम्प्ट
generated,
डाल तू प्रॉम्प्ट डाल तू प्रॉम्प्ट डाल
हाँ.
के मुझे पे मैं खुद कर सकता हूँ एआई फीड लेकिन तू डाल और मुझे
I want to
सोचने
feel
दे कि
like
तेरा
I want to feel like there's a relationship going on here. I feel like कुछ तो भेज रहा है. I want that voyeurism.
so speaking of things that are being generated on ChatGPT, so basically Tinder again divided internet by introducing a new filter, which is height. Okay, so people can now filter each other out by height. Okay, so basically, and this has come from the idea that women prefer taller men. Okay, so they've taken that, they've added this as a feature that you can get in the premium version. Okay, now the short guys are in revolt. One guy wrote ki, I was already cooked because I'm 5'3". Now I'm deep fried. So
one second I don't understand you put a height feature right?
Filter.
Filter or whatever, I might be, because half these guys are lying. A lot of these guys are lying, which is why the
Yeah.
need for this has come up, right? So I can still be 5'6" and put my height as 6'2". Who is Tinder sending to check me out exactly and actually measure
So,
my height?
so Thakur, because you said this, let me tell you what women are doing. तो तेरे जैसे बहुत पब्लिक है उधर कि आई एम 6'2", राइट एंड ही
हाँ, झूठ बोल रहे हैं। मेरे जैसे पब्लिक बिल्कुल नहीं है, मैं
नहीं
तो हूँ
मतलब
नहीं।
आई डोंट थिंक वरुण वहां पे जाके झूठ
और
बोलेगा
मैं 6 फुट
डेफिनेटली।
का हूँ ऑलरेडी, तो मैंने झूठ नहीं
नहीं
बोला।
नहीं आई से कि लाइक द पीपल हैव थॉट ऑफ द सेम थिंग दैट यू सेड कि मैं 6'2" हूँ. ओके, सो देयर इज वन वीडियो ऑफ दिस थिंग दैट हैपेंड. वन गाय matched with a girl, said I'm 6'2". The girl, to verify whether he was 6'2", what she did is, because this is also happening कि public ये बोल रहा है, then they show up at the date and people are like, where is that extra foot? So what she did is,
Where is that extra foot? Huh?
She's
You said
talking
you.
to him. She's constantly talking to him like this. अरे नहीं मैं यहाँ पे no, I expected someone who's 6'2". Why would I talk to you? Just
so what she did is, this girl, she took the photos that he had put on his dating profile, put them into ChatGPT, and said, can you figure out his height?
Oh,
ChatGPT has
smart.
used the reference, whatever is in the
Shadow,
photo as
shadow, you use
reference,
some.
etc., proportions, etc.,
Hmm.
and has given like it's accurate to within an inch. So she told him, "Hey bro, according to ChatGPT, you're 5'7". तो वो भड़क गया, how could you put my thing in
Oh.
ChatGPT, ये वो. Then she said, no, you're not answering the question. So ChatGPT is saying 5'7", are you 5'7"? He's like, I'm actually 5'8". तो
So technically, it's the girl who was smart and she has done this, ना?
Yeah,
Because
of
Tinder
course.
पे height का
नहीं
filter डालने
तो
से फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है, because on most porn websites, 14-year-olds are actually 30-year-olds for very long. You know, when they ask you your date, you're not putting, oh, I am under
Yeah, yeah.
82.
Enter. I am above
Enter
18. Sure. Oh,
1976 birth date.
ये जो ऑनेस्टी पे चल रहा है ना,
हाँ,
आप लैपटॉप पे हाथ रख के कसम खाइए.
कसम खाओ कि भाई तू पक्का है ना, देख मैं चेक करने भेज नहीं सकता, तो तू अपना एज डाल देना। हाँ, यस सर।
Shouldn't there be a filter on Tinder that says married or not? Because a lot of people I know who've gone on dates and they come back, साले की शादी हुई थी. That is
Wow, really?
something that should be.
You think these married guys on Tinder are going to we are married? Dude, that guy is probably 5'6". वो उसका 6 बोल रहा है, वो शादी वाला थोड़ी बोलेगा बाहर।
dude, so they have like I have not been on Tinder since I matched with Siddhi. So this was news to me that they also have minimum number of photos on Tinder. Now you can say that I want a minimum of like 3. This guy should have 3 photos, then only. Has a
Okay.
bio because public bio भी नहीं लिख रहा है. ऐसे ही पहुंच जा रहा है. And this is me. Take it or leave it.
That's
अरे because there's so
mysterious.
many
That's
apps.
mysterious.
There's so many apps now ना, तो it's like हर एक में तू ऐसा बैठ के बायो बनाएगा, ये बनाएगा, तो it's
ये
just
तो
like
कॉपी करना, कॉपी पेस्ट करना।
You know what else AI has done? So I used to be the person who my friends would come to saying कि bro मेरा bio लिखना है एक अच्छा वाला. I used to be that guy. मेरा
तू
job
because
नौकरी
you're
ले
the
लिया यार.
professional writer.
यार मेरा बेंचो
It's
नौकरी
like
ले लिया
ये तू
यार.
काम के लिए करता है ना, करना प्लीज. You're like the doctor. You're the
हाँ.
doctor who just had normal family function. ये देखो यहाँ पे ना मुझे काफी दिनों से एक ये ऐसे यहाँ पे मार्क है कुछ.
So yeah, so I did this for a friend. He also it worked out really well. He got married from my
From your bio.
bio.
And from that day, not once has he been able to write a nice card or a letter to his wife. And she's waiting. She's like, 8 साल हो गए शादी करके, जो रोमांटिक इसने अपने आप को बायो में दिखाया था, अभी बिल्कुल नहीं बात करता है।
अबे तू उसका वो है, तू मुझसे दोस्ती करोगे. व्हाट वाज
Yeah.
जाने मन,
द
जाने
रानी
मन।
मुखर्जी. हाँ, तो वो कौन लेटर लिखता है उसको? अभिषेक बच्चन लिखता है नहीं?
नहीं, तू कौन सी पिक्चर की बात कर रहा है?
Where it's like a Cyrano, the Cyrano play basically has been adapted a lot of times. Where there's
मुझसे
a
दोस्ती करोगी?
but like it's one
Bareli
person
की
who's
बच्ची है.
writing the letter, one person who's the cool hot person, and they both fall in love. But
Yeah.
it's actually
Yeah.
तो तू वो है भाई.
हाँ मैं
तू
था
रानी मुखर्जी है।
था
Yeah.
अभी अभी.
So
By the
basically,
way,
his
you know
wife
what they're
actually
doing
fell in
now?
love with you. His
You.
wife has fallen in love with you.
Yeah.
No. Fallen in love with the way I articulated his personality. So the other thing that's happening, by the way, on dating apps right now is basically on some like there are some people where they are not speaking, chatbots are speaking to each other. So I know a guy who basically has admitted to me saying कि हाँ ब्रो तो क्या होता है ना वो कुछ लिखती है लाइन फिर मैं वो चैट जीपीटी में डालता हूँ फिर चैट जीपीटी जो भेजता है मैं उसको भेज देता हूँ.
तो बेसिकली चैट जीपीटी और ग्रॉक एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे होंगे and इन लोग यहाँ रुके कि मे बी आई फाइंड द राइट पर्सन और सडनली देख रहा है भाई मेरा लैपटॉप क्यों चलते हुए बाहर जा रहा है क्या हुआ कहाँ कहाँ जा रहा है कहाँ जा रहा है और वहां से दूसरा एक आईपैड चलते हुए आ रहे हैं दोनों मिल रहे हैं क्या है ए, मैं थक चुकी हूँ इसके लिए लेटर लिख लिख के मैं थक चुका हूँ आओ
एंटीवायरस पहन के करना.
हाँ. Oh, that's their protection. Well done.
So yeah, so this was a thing that was
Okay.
happening on Tinder. Okay.
From dating to, I think, hotel rooms,
Oh, God.
guys.
natural progression
Natural progression. Oyo has basically the one reason Oyo existed is like it's like Tony Stark saying like at the beginning of Iron Man, we will not be making weapons anymore. Oyo has now said we will not be providing rooms for couples without proof. So
wow
whoever is coming in, so what your partner, whatever they have to submit their whatever ID, and on top of that, you have to submit proof of relationship.
no like so you have to be married or engaged or like what you can be in a relationship with someone for 8 years have no ring no nothing so how do you
Yeah, so I don't know what a proof of relationship is. या तो तुम सेल्फी दो या तुम शुरू से उन लोग को एमएमएस दिखा
ये
दो ये देखो
देखो
ये
मेरे
यहाँ पे जो आप
व्हाट्सएप
वहाँ पे
चैट्स.
ऊपर रिकॉर्ड करने वाले हो ये हम लोग आपको यहाँ से दिखा रहे हैं चेक इन के टाइम.
नो दे नीड टू सी फेसबुक पे इन अ रिलेशनशिप विद ये देखो सर इधर लिखा हुआ अच्छा फेसबुक पे लिखा है हाँ ठीक है
हाँ
फिर चलेगा फिर मतलब इनका बराबर जेन्युइन है
हाँ.
इनको रूम दे दो
सर प्लीज शो अस प्रूफ. हाँ सर ये देखो 25 यूज कॉन्डम है हमारे.
no you know it'll be that time na where a lot of couples are just like so what are we like where is this going
Right at the right at check-in.
और आपको कौन सा रूम चाहिए एक मिनट क्या चल रहा है दोनों का
So where are you
सिचुएशनशिप तो नहीं
in
चल
your
रहा.
relationship? वो crowd work कर रहा है उनके साथ. How long have you been dating? When did you guys meet?
But this is like I think to just talk about this for a second, right? Ki the
Hmm.
Oyo had basically become synonymous with uh, basically like you can get a room if you have if you want as a couple, right? That was the
Yeah.
it had become a couples hotel booking app.
Yeah, place where people don't have space. Like, especially for like Bombay, I think that is a godsend
Well,
because
like
space.
I'm thinking of
Hmm.
the finance division of Oyo who had to listen to this idea and be like, guys, we've run the numbers. Our revenue is going to be in minus. ये पूरा सब रेड होने वाला है गाइस. तुम क्या कर रहे हो?
no so they need proof of marriage is it only like married couples
No,
that
no,
are
no.
allowed to book
Proof of relationship.
But what does that mean?
that is so it's fucking subjective
Yeah.
like how like what you can I mean I don't understand तो ये
Instagram
अभी एक्टिव हो गया
pages.
है मैं कभी गया नहीं
Hmm.
वो रूम तो मालूम नहीं तुम लोग गए हो क्या कभी वो room?
Dude,
I've done
Vivek,
many
I
a
came.
show
You've done many a show.
where I've had to stay in an Oyo. So I've
Oh God, I think once Kautuk and I had to share an Oyo
y'all
room,
had
and that
y'all
was
shared a your room
yeah. Imagine without any relationship. Those were
yeah.
the good old days.
Yeah.
बट
तो
उसमें अपन दोनों अकेले नहीं थे रूम में. हमारे साथ थे
हाँ.
6 कॉकरोच.
ओ भाई.
जो मस्ती किए वो लोग.
Dude, मैं जूते पहन के like we had like 1 hour. Like it's like we changed our flights,
You're making it
everything कि
sound
हम
worse and
लोग
worse
आज ही
after.
निकल रहे हैं. But I'm so tired. I just need to lie down for 1 hour at least. मैं जूता जैकेट पहन के बिस्तर पे ऐसे लेटा.
And other is being dry humped by a cockroach.
फुल
And then
सर्विस
the
तो
guy comes
मिलके
in.
रहेगी आपको सर आप यू डोंट वरी
नहीं, but then that guy asked me, he said, what is the proof of relationship with you and the cockroach?
और क्या दिया तूने
हाँ नहीं बस we had to, Kautuk recorded a video and showed it.
bro that's so sad you know lot of couples must have like been dependent on
Yeah.
Oyo. And now
Oh,
suddenly
it's
to see that person turn, it's like you either like die a hero or live long enough to become the villain. That's
The,
as
I
one.
I saw this one video which was CCTV footage of an Oyo type
Oh no,
room.
why other?
No, wait, no. It was
what
CCTV of
website
the
were you on?
corridor. Of the corridor. It's the corridor footage. Now I don't know if this is staged because it's very funny. Because एक couple ऐसे जा रहा है and they are going to the Oyo room. So दरवाजा खुलता है, girl goes in the room and the guy is about to go in, but then he looks at the room next to his. तो वहां पे he recognizes the chappals which are his wife's. So
Oh,
this guy goes and bangs on the door, and this half-naked man answers, and he's like, "ये चप्पल किसकी है?" And by the time his wife comes out, क्या हो गया? And it's like तू उससे करे, and then वो लड़ाई करना शुरू करता है. By that time, the girl who went in the first room, she comes out. Turns out she's the other guy's wife.
come on, bro. कुछ
फिर और
भी.
लड़ाई चल.
This is engagement bait, yaar, other.
This is
Bro,
proper engagement weight, but it's very
yeah,
funny.
and you fell for it. This is exactly what's happening with those penguins in Mumbai right now.
By the way, there was one very funny meme where some guy, the meme was किसी का एकदम ऐसा एक sad face है और उसके ऊपर लिखा है when you check in at Oyo and the receptionist says welcome back ma'am.
गलत.
The usual? Would you like the usual?
So okay, going to the next one. So now this is a pretty interesting one. Talks about the movie business as it
Hmm.
stands today. So basically, Amir Khan's Sitare Zameen Par is releasing in theaters, and the internet is divided because Amir Khan.
It's never not funny when suddenly, no matter what you say, internet is divided by divide हो चुका है. It just flows off the tongue so well. It's
Beautifully.
divided.
Now, internet is divided because Amir Khan has, at this point in time, he has decided to skip OTTs. He's not going to put Sitare Zameen Par on OTTs. Instead, he's planning to release it as a
On
pay-per-view
Tinder.
on on YouTube.
Acha.
It couldn't go on Tinder because it would get cut out by height.
Height, yeah.
So 5-7.
So yeah, he's thinking of putting it as a pay-per-view on YouTube. Okay. Now the reason
Hmm.
he's doing this because Amir Khan believes that the window that OTTs are providing is very, very, very small, right? So it's come down to like what, 2-3 weeks, 4-5 weeks, 8 weeks.
It's simultaneously playing. So as you go by
Yeah.
the theater na, and your friend is on the way watching it on Netflix to come to the theater. अरे कौन सी पिक्चर दिखने आ रहे हैं? अरे सितारे जमीन कर रहा है. मैं तो अभी देख रहा हूँ उसको. हाँ, सेम टाइम पे रिलीज है. सब रिलीज हो गया. आजा. अच्छा ठीक है, तो मैं फर्स्ट हाफ देख लूं क्या गाड़ी में?
Dude,
देख ले.
Dude, at some
why
point,
initially I thought like if you're sitting in the theater, like Kautuk is gone to watch the movie and उसके आगे एक लड़की है तो कहते हैं क्या कर रही है फोन पे and she's watching the same movie that he's come to.
no,
Initially जब तूने
no.
बोला था ना मुझे हिमेश का, I thought she's standing in the Himesh concert watching Himesh reels
No.
while Himesh is on stage.
Dude, I think this release window is going to get so small that at some point actors will be like, bro, how is it possible कि मेरी unfinished picture release हो गई है Netflix पे जो picture
हाँ,
में shoot
ठीक
कर
है, उसको बना देंगे. उसको 70 रील है. 70 रील तो
Yeah,
कैसे
it's
दिखते
one
जा रहा
one
है.
scene at a time. It's
ठाप ठाप
one.
ठाप ठाप 120
Yeah.
तूने देख लिए. मस्त पिक्चर. अरे मजा आया. देख लिया
Wait,
पिक्चर.
that's a fucking brilliant idea. So
they're
suppose
doing
you
it, they're
take
doing it
a
now.
movie that we love. Okay, chal, we take Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge. Okay, we make a separate Instagram page for it. Okay, and the entire movie is just reels. So you come there, yeah, and you're just scrolling. The movie starts. So you get opening Mere Khawab Mein Jo Hai Jo Bhi, and it starts, and you see the song. Then you scroll up, you get the next scene, you get the next scene, and you're just scrolling and watching the entire movie on that one Instagram page that is
This is,
dedicated to this.
when they pirate some movies and they put it up on YouTube, na, it's exactly like this. Part
Oh,
1,
part 1,
part
part
2,
2,
part
part
3,
6.
part 4, part 6, part 7.
No,
And
my favorite part of pirated movies, now back in the day when we used to watch it, when they used to sneak in camcorders to theaters, right? And they would just shoot
हाँ.
it. And whatever, maybe थोड़ा
ये
imitate
पैट
करता
की
था,
आवाज आ रही है।
सडनली ना ऐसे एक आदमी उठ जाता था ऐसे बीच में। अरे लाइक, ओ फक, ये वो चल रहा है, कोई किससे बात कर रहा है, जो एक कोई मैं पायरेट मूवी देख रहा था, उन लोग झगड़ा कर रहे हैं, बट दिस गाय इज नॉट इवन लाइक गेटिंग अ डिफरेंट एंगल, इट्स राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम, तो उसके लाइन ऑफ साइड दो आदमी लोग झगड़ा कर रहे हैं, पीछे मूवी है जो पायरेट हो रही
So I agree with Amir on this though, 100%. Okay, the so now it's like the reason it's such a divisive issue, right? Because from Netflix's point of view, it's key, hey, if we're paying premium, then we want to release it soon. From Amir's point of view, it is key, hey, if you release it soon, no one comes to theater, right? So he's like, then fuck it, I won't take that money, and I will. He's banking fully on कि public theater में देखेगा, and then whatever they will do on YouTube, they'll do on YouTube. But
So this is a
No, but
fact.
it's going to be crazy
One
because
of
the
the
comments are going to be right there. Netflix पे तेरा पिक्चर आया, कोई गाली दे रहा है, तेरे को सुनाई नहीं देता है, दिखाई नहीं देता है, कुछ नहीं है, इंटरनेट डिवाइड हो रहा है, वो सेपरेट इंटरनेट का चल रहा है अपना। क्या बोला?
like Nadania with a comment section would improve the
oh
experience.
my
Bro, it would be banging.
god.
It's a collective shared experience, सब side में live. Instead, they should, the movie is happening live and you can comment live. थोड़ा बीच में एक बार बात भी कर देते रहे से कुछ।
They should create a separate category on Netflix called Hate Watch, where we are producing content ताकि तुम इस पे साथ में आके गाली दो.
साथ में, हाँ।
I think it would be it should be a whole separate segment.
Hey,
Why?
गाली
kill.
so they are doing this with Testament. The first episode comes out,
साथ
but
में
गाली
मिलके
मत
गाली
तुम लोग
देते हैं।
जाना गाली मत देना जाके please.
क्या?
But they are doing a special event where they are watching the first episode together, and the director and everybody, the team is going to be online, so you guys can comment. गाली मत
अगर
देना, but go watch Testament.
अगर
Watch the first
सेगवे का भी
episode.
एक जगह होता है यार.
गाइस, तुम लोग टेस्टमेंट पे जाके गाली नहीं देना, लेकिन एक जगह है जहां तुम लोग गाली दे सकते हो। अगर हम लोग के लाइव शो में आ गए, तुम लोग उधर आके लाइव गाली दे सकते हो। लंदन,
Yes.
टोरंटो, यूएस, इंडिया, एवरीवेयर, टिकट्स बिलो। हाँ, आगे बोल, क्या हुआ?
But this is a fact, one of the rare factoids that come from this nowadays. The average person scrolls the length of Mount Everest every year.
देख भाई, इफ यू टेल देम दिस फैक्ट, दे विल बी लाइक, चल ना, एटलीस्ट मैंने एवरेस्ट तो स्केल कर ही लिया है, फिजिकली नहीं किया तो क्या हुआ?
This is quite a
उंगली
fun
से
fact.
किए.
This is
हाँ.
quite a fun fact, and I feel like, who knows, man? Like in the future, our thumbs will adapt to the scrolling thing. Like you'll have like stronger thumbs. You'll have like
Bro,
everything.
you're
No,
not
they
going to
already
be,
are.
but you're not going to be scrolling. It's going to happen with your eyes moving, bro.
Eyes.
तो ये भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है। अपना जैसे तेरा ये होगा ना, वो अपने आप एडजस्ट करके तेरा, ये मत करना ना तू।
No, but by the way,
पढ़ ही
once
नहीं
again,
पाएगा, सब
this
खत्म हो जाएगी।
already exists.
Yeah.
This is there on the iPhone where you can scroll with your eyes.
What?
The cursor moves. Yeah.
Oh shit.
It was initially created for people who had like disabilities and stuff like that. So it was meant for like accessibility. But it has
Wow.
gotten so good that this might just become the primary feature.
तुम फोन को देख रहे हो, फोन तुम्हें देख रहा है.
भाई.
क्या बे? ये क्या बे? हाँ?
But वो अलग, that will cause another. If you are buying a cheap phone that has that feature, तो अलग spondylitis issue चालू हो जाएगा public का. Just एक सस्ता कुछ ले लिया है where the software is not as good.
From Oppo to
अबे नेक्स्ट जा थोड़ा मेरा नेक बहुत दर्द कर रहा है, क्योंकि क्या हुआ नहीं यार, मैं फोन पे थोड़ा आर्टिकल पढ़ने की कोशिश करता हूँ, उसका अपडेट थोड़ा स्लो है।
And the next thing that has, by the way, before we move on from Amir thing, where do you guys stand? Do you guys
Where do I stand?
In the
do you
theater.
agree
6 feet tall.
do you stand with netizens who are saying कि आमिर आगे बढ़ो, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं, or are you saying कि आमिर take the money from Netflix and don't do pay-per-view on YouTube?
No, मैं हमेशा आमिर के साथ हूँ। कर तू जो आमिर का
हाँ, कर. This
मैं
is
full
great
support हूँ।
because
I love
you
आमिर।
know what will happen
He's too good.
if this does well, this might just open a new space for other filmmakers to put out their short films and stuff like that. So if like अगर 10 रुपया is also your barrier to entry, you know, like if Amir is charging
एक मिनट,
200 rupees,
वो पे
if
एज यू
Amir is
नहीं कर
charging
रहा है।
200 bucks, a short filmmaker can definitely charge 10 bucks.
I think that's
मुझे क्या लगा बे, पे एज यू गो, जो तुम्हारा मन करे दे देना, देख के वो लग रहा है, क्योंकि सुपर चैट
हाँ.
कुछ
आई
करेगा।
एम श्योर आमिर का सुपर चैट आमिर
पब्लिक 2-2 रुपए
इमेजिन
में देख
आमिर
के जा रही
हैविंग
है
टू रीड
सितारे
सुपर
जमीन पर।
चैट्स इज
उसने उसने डाल दिया पे एज यू गो, सब लोग देख रहे हैं, मजा आया पीछे, लेकिन सब 2-2 रुपए दे रहे हैं। कलेक्शन, अरे कलेक्शन कितने हुए आमिर? 4,239 पैसे। हाँ, कितने लोगों ने देखा? 4 करोड़ लोगों ने, लेकिन फिर पैसा नहीं है। नहीं, उन्होंने बोला कि
सब
अच्छा
लोग
लगा लेकिन नहीं देना है।
लाख लाख के 10 चेक दे के गए पब्लिक
हाँ,
But I think there will be a significant, like there will be a good percentage of people who will leave a comment thinking कि आमिर उनको रिप्लाई करेगा, बात करेंगे, अगली पिक्चर में ले लेगा.
ये आमिर ये क्या है, ये सीन में क्या है?
But that is true, huh? In the digital age, it's so crazy that creators get to hear back from every single person who consumes your stuff.
या
bro, like one girl on TikTok, okay, she commented on a Kylie Jenner post where she asked her, give me details of your boob job.
Oh shit.
So Kylie Jenner has responded.
अरे यार.
Yeah,
And
because
she
they've
has
no,
given,
but that's the whole thing with the Kardashians, that they've always been very open about everything. So
No, but
that's what, yeah,
what a crazy thing, na, to get.
so she
yeah.
has said exactly what she has done, what some certain specifications, and given the doctor's name, कि जाओ करो. तो again, internet is, I don't know, divided,
No, so
multiplied.
like there was so here's another thing, okay, about internet divided. So Michael B. Jordan, not to be
Hmm.
confused with Michael Jordan. Michael
The
B.
internet
Jordan,
is divided on that also. Bhai.
That is Michael A. Jordan.
that is Michael A. Jordan. So
Uh,
Michael B. Jordan, actor, said this. He said कि Denzel Washington told him this, saying कि don't be on social media, okay? Because he says his logic is that why would people come to see you in the theater if they see you every day for free?
Hmm.
fair.
Oh, what do you feel? What do you guys feel?
Bro, for us it's different. Denzel Washington can say that
Yeah.
because once you've seen Denzel Washington, you don't need to see him again and again. You know he's amazing. तो जब भी आएगा थिएटर में तू भाग के जाएगा देखने. अपने
Hmm.
इसमें अगर अपन दिखे नहीं, 1-1.5 महीना पब्लिक भूल जाएगा. किधर है, कौन है? अरे होते थे लोग, अभी नहीं है. हम लोग के इसमें उल्टा है ना कि डाल उठ, रील डाल, अभी रील डाल फटाफट, और एक रील डाल, और 2 रील डाल, ये
No,
भी
but
डाल,
I,
वो भी
but I
डाल.
feel like
Otherwise,
this is a thing that is getting more and more talked about within the acting circles, especially for you guys.
Hmm.
The thing that
thanks.
the thing that you guys have to actors are being picked basis their social media numbers, right? Which
Yeah.
causes one
But then also
different
being stereotyped based on social media character.
character. And the other thing that happens is that Denzel Washington does have a point. Okay, it does reduce the excitement. Like, because you remember, like back in the day, right? Like, in the 90s, if your favorite hero came up with a movie after 6-8 months, you'd be thrilled beyond
Hmm.
like belief, right? Ki, I don't get access. The only access I get is whatever Bombay Times article that comes out, right? So for that to for that shift to happen, ki now I'm, sometimes now you're like, bro, I need to like mute this guy because iska to bahut aa raha hai
It's
yaar.
too much. Yeah.
Like I like this guy, but come on. So like it's a fine balance, no? Now that
I think you can only do that once you have achieved a certain number,
correct,
certain level of
correct,
fame
correct.
or like brilliance. तो इतना अच्छा है कि you've already made that impression in people's heads in this short attention span
Totally.
generation that we're in. They miss you in their 5 scrolls and you are forgotten. There's 10 other
Yeah.
people that have entered their consciousness और अभी उन लोग उधर पे.
Bhuvan's done that well. I think you have to end up doing it yourself. No one's going to like. I think Bhuvan created his own show, and so like even this guy did it very well. कौन था Slumdog Millionaire का जो lead actor था?
Dev Patel.
Dev Patel. That new movie he did, he's written it, he's directed it because nobody was kind of like you want to. There's that you have to fight that stereotyping tendency that people have. He's always like he's been portrayed as meek character, Dev Patel. So he just switched that entire script. So I think you gotta write your own, like your idea of how you want to present yourself ultimately. So I think Bhuvan Bam's done a very good job that way.
So talking about that, we were talking about binging shows on OTT platforms. One of the other raging debates is always, do you prefer binging the show or watching it like weekly? Like when you have shows on Netflix or Amazon, they'll all come at one go, right? But all these fucking HBO shows, the really hard ones, they come like once a week. So a lot of people I've seen will be like, नहीं, मैं पूरा 8 हफ्ता जाने दे रुकूंगा और उसके बाद बैठ के देखूंगा. Whereas I'm on the other end where I'm like, boss, I cannot miss even one week. बैठो देखो, देखने के बाद और सब उसके एनालाइज वाले वीडियो देखो, पब्लिक के साथ बात करो. Because staying away from spoilers is fucking tough, bro, in today's time. It's like,
No, so
Sitcoms, I think sitcoms I can binge. Like these 1 hour drama shows, I would prefer to anything that's crossing 40 minutes. I want to watch one episode at a time. It's just so much more fun. You absorb more stuff because
interesting.
then it just becomes like, yeah, after the third episode, you're just information overload. With
no,
like
wait. So
sitcoms, it's fun.
so even if
He's doing it by
even if
timeline.
all episodes come at one go, and if the episode is longer than 40 minutes, 8 episodes longer than 40 minutes, you'll watch one and then watch one another day or another time, not back to back.
I would prefer to do that. Like I like sometimes I enjoy like Rick and Morty is not your traditional sitcom anymore. I don't want to watch an entire season of Rick and Morty because by the fourth episode I start blanking out because the episodes are dense. So I like Rick and Morty as though the episode drop jab karte hai wo log. So it's even in there also in sitcoms it's like a separate thing for me.
I find the weekly drop or the like the staggered drop more pleasurable as a viewer.
Yeah.
For the reason that like it takes like you get time to absorb it. Like you said, Nat Thakur, you feel like there's a community that you can get to. You can discuss it with your partner. There's a bunch of like stuff that happens, but it also runs the risk, and it's happened 2 or 3 times with me where uh, the expectation is that much higher. So then when a week
Hmm.
goes by and I see the episode and it's not as good, then you feel twice as bad. Like you just feel like, yeah.
Bro, you're talking about shows that drop weekly. I'm saying that if a new show that I really want to watch gets dropped on a Netflix or a Prime where they drop all episodes at one go, मैं चाट लेता हूँ. The only reason I can't do that for the other ones is because they drop it only week on week, and that too, even in the week on week, I can't be like, चल ये हफ्ते का मैं नहीं देखता, so like next week when I watch, I'll have 2 episodes to watch. I don't do that. I just watch it like
I always have
immediately.
I always have a junk food reaction when I do that, which is that I'll do it and it's very fun when I'm doing it, but afterwards I'm like, kya kar diya maine? Like I always get that thing when I binge something because what happens is when I binge it, oh, it's amazing, chal, 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 next. Your monkey brain is saying that. At the end of it, when I'm reflecting back on what I've just done, it just feels like I just know plot point to plot point, and I've gotten none of the fiber and the texture of the thing. This is what happens to me. Where like I'm just like I just want to know how the story ends, not what
Yeah, you just want
really
to get to the
happened.
end of it now. It starts getting annoying then.
Like, for me, I think the hangover days call for 8 episode का कुछ मस्त मालामाल चाहिए जो ऐसे पड़े रह के तू बैठ के देख सकता है पूरे दिन.
I think
And
the
in
other
that case, we watched some like Royals, for example, जो last में देखा, bro, we watched all episodes back to
Why would you?
fucking-
Why would you?
It was-
Imagine the 8 hours that could be spent doing something else.
No, but that's exactly what I needed. I
want
needed
brain
that
rot.
at that point.
Yeah.
कि मैं वो वाले हालत में था. तो उसमें
Now,
you need-
wouldn't you rather watch like Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge as
on
reels
Reels.
than
No,
Royals?
brother, I wouldn't.
Guys, let us know in the comments. Would you rather watch Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge divided up into 1 minute reels or Royals for 8 hours?
The other debate that keeps happening on the internet, which is um, a crazy, like, I mean, obviously, like, very divisive, and understandably so. So, the work from home versus going to office physically.
I like how
One team.
three forever work from homers are like, actually, you know what? Work from home is better than going to the. Never seen the inside of a fucking office. Bro, I'll never forget the first time when I joined my dad's business during my summer break कि मैं थोड़ा काम करूंगा. 5 दिन टिका bro, 5 दिन. 5 दिन टिका. I said no. वो भी nepotism job ना, सीधा डैड की कंपनी में काम कर रहा. So I have actually an easy job. It wasn't some. It took so much out of me, but I couldn't sit.
Weirdly, we've never asked Kautuk, sorry, we've never asked Varun what his dad does.
Oh yeah.
It's been
Business.
it's been 15 years.
Import export का business.
No, I mean the work from home, like I think like the thing that netizens are upset about is that the one narrative that has formed is that there were a few idiots who ruined the glorious, beautiful, luxurious work
Yeah.
from home situation. So there were these people who would constantly, so वर्क फ्रॉम होम चल रहा है, सबको मजा आ रहा है, सबको मस्त एकदम पजामा में बैठो घर पे काम करो, लॉग ऑफ करो, एंजॉय लाइफ. There were some folks who began to post stuff like, hey, I'm in Sri Lanka today working
Yeah.
from here with beer. Right now, ideally, yes, काम हो रहा है तो फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, तू किधर से भी काम कर रहा है, तू इंटॉक्सिकेटेड है, तू नंगा है, तू जो भी है, ठीक है,
क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है?
क्या फर्क पड़ता है. But what companies started doing is कि they're looking at social media. सारे एम्प्लॉइज श्रीलंका में, इमेजिका से,
बाली पब्लिक बाली
बाली
भाग रही है.
से, गोवा में, वो पूल के बीच से कर.
मैं यहाँ पे 25 लाख ऑफिस का रेंट क्यों दे रहा हूँ यहाँ पे?
नहीं, वो नहीं भी दिया. उनको खुशी नहीं हैंडल होती भाई एम्प्लॉयज की, कि एम्प्लॉयज मजे करके काम कर रहे. देख, अगर तेरे एम्प्लॉय ने काम नहीं किया है, प्रेजेंटेशन टाइम पे नहीं भेजा, एक्चुअल काम में कुछ गफला है, यस. पर अगर आदमी घर पे जहां भी बैठ के अगर काम कर पा रहा है तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है ब्रो? आई एम टेलिंग दिस इज टॉकिंग प्रायर टू कोविड. ठीक है, 2018 में जब मैं यूएस टूर पे गया था ना, उधर वन ऑफ माय प्रमोटर्स, so he was there. He was with me on all the cities that I was doing. So I asked him. I said, "आप full time यही करते हो क्या?" ऐसे नहीं, मैं तो आईटी में काम करता हूँ.
हाँ.
तो I said, "Oh," he said, हाँ, मैं इधर 15 साल से आईटी में काम कर रहा हूँ, वो चल रहा है. And I love comedy and singers, ये वो, तो मैं सबके टूर वूर कराता हूँ. I said, "Oh, superb." तो आप रहते कहाँ हो? बोलते सैन होजे में. मैंने, आपका ऑफिस कहाँ है? बोलते अटलांटा.
Oh shit.
ऑफिस अटलांटा में, रहता सैन होजे में, और मेरे साथ डैलस में था. और और हो गया उसका सब काम वाम, सब कुछ हो रहा है. ही इज एबल टू रन अ साइड गिग ऑफ डूइंग दिस whilst also doing his job which is getting paid very well for, and he is doing it well.
One way that actually this question also applies to us is अपन पॉडकास्ट अभी फिलहाल वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, रात के 11:30 बजे.
But अपन मिलते भी थे. Now for us, like, and the same merits that we used to have when we used to do the podcast in person are the merits that people get from going to office, which is that there's better chemistry, there is better, like, you're in the same room, so you're, there's vibing off of each other wala scene.
Which happens in our live shows. And
Yeah.
that's why, guys, you should get tickets for Markasam.
Well done.
29th
Well done,
June in London, 4th and 5th July in Canada.
Guys,
So,
by the end of this episode, we'll be in your house forcing you to take your hand and then just type it
ये चल
and take
चल
credit card,
ticket
निकाल
भाई.
और ले खरीद. यही बचा है.
So yeah, so I mean, I think both have their merits and demerits. But I
No,
think, like,
would you ever be able to work in a 9 to 5 setting?
Oh
Did you
God.
ever at any point of
God.
time in your life?
But I miss the couch. I do miss the couch because when we
Abhi,
write together,
You're talking about
it's like
podcast. I'm saying, would you be
Yeah.
inside an office 9 to 5, 10 to 6, whatever the timings are?
depends on when they want me to do the podcast in the office.
no, I think I'm disciplined when it comes to work, but I think, like, I don't know. Like, I don't know.
No, for me, I don't think I can ever work inside an office. Okay? At the same time, for us, there is no timetable, right? Like your Saturday is a Monday and your Monday is a Sunday and your Thursday is actually a Tuesday. That makes no difference.
Yeah, Monday is the
working-
most restful. Monday is the most restful day for me because Saturday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, sometimes on Thursdays also is that super late night show, and then Monday is the day you actually rest.
No, exactly. So for us,
Yeah.
there's no strict pattern. But for me, if you put me with people, not necessarily in an office space, I'd rather be. अभी जैसे अपन बैठ के माँ कसम या कोई और जो शो पे अपन काम करते हैं, we are sitting in my house and we are jamming, or in Kautuk's or in others, whatever. I prefer that. Sometimes I feel like this working in a silo, not just you, because our work is very dependent on what we feel like doing that day, right? Even for another employee of a company, when he or she is working for home, there is still it's geared towards something. आज मेरे को ये प्रेजेंटेशन बना के देना है। अपने इसमें तू आज स्टैंड अप लिख, तू पिक्चर का स्क्रिप्ट लिख, तू पॉडकास्ट शूट कर, तू रील बना, कैन बी all of it
Work.
or none of it in one day. So for it gets very like sometimes I feel if we had that routine or that thing, output would be better. But at the same time, can't be in a routine. So मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता है.
No, yeah, no. So the thing is, I'm good because I think it also is a little bit of like the fact that like I think I can sit down and do that sort of thing, but at the same time, the thing that would bother me about the actual like when you're in a company type thing, it's all the other admin related bureaucratic email checking stuff that like that I find
Yeah.
the big thing. So I can do my work very correctly, but it's the being accountable to other people about it that sucks. As you
I
guys
think-
know from my lack of WhatsApp.
I think the best would be a hybrid, right? Where I think in Germany or somewhere they were trying the 4-day week, where you get people into office, so you get that face-to-face time and all of those things are going on. And then like either a Wednesday or something, you give them an off, or you give them like a longer weekend. So people's productivity is also more. Like they were trying this shit out now in Germany or somewhere.
Yeah, Sweden. I think Sweden or Germany. Like where, but what happened was people were like they were finishing their jobs in 4 days, like whatever their assignments were, like 3 day work week or 4 day work week, and they were like really hauling ass on those days, like working their asses off properly. सब लोग meeting कर रहे सब कुछ, but they were finishing all their targets that were supposed to be for the entire week. Now the thing is, the logic is, oh shit, 3 दिन में इतना, that means इन लोग का productivity 6 दिन में कितना होएगा? If you try to do that, you're gonna burn them out. There's a reason they're able to finish that shit in 3 days because उनको 4 दिन rest मिल रहा है
So
उसके
by
बाद. They
carrot, if
also
you're
work harder.
dangling, so they'll work hard and they'll be like, okay, chal, now I can go and peacefully enjoy it. It's that
नहीं, but there's actual physical recuperation that happens. That when you come back on Monday, you're actually
Yeah.
recuperated from that 3 days of hard work.
You know, I think another thing would be like अगर तू Wednesday को off दे दिया, so you get your Saturday, Sunday, Monday सब लोग पहुंचो काम पे proper है, वो Monday, Tuesday क्या अभी Wednesday चल ठीक है, आज
Daily.
वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर ले, वैसा तो थर्सडे आ जा वापस, मीटिंग करेंगे इन पर्सन, और फ्राइडे काम कर, 7 बजे निकलने की जरूरत नहीं, तू 5 बजे निकल जा, ठीक है, बिकॉज देन यू विल स्टार्ट योर इवनिंग. वैसा अगर ऐसे थोड़ा कभी किया एम्प्लॉयज की तरफ, यू डोंट थिंक एम्प्लॉयज 5x परफॉर्म करेंगे? आई डोंट नो, आई एम
नहीं
नॉट
करते हैं.
अ बिजनेस
बहुत
ओनर
public
और
कर रहा है. You know, so what had started happening, this is where the shitty part started happening. There's some people ruined it for a lot of people. I know, like my friend, who they have a rule in this company के तेरे को वो सिटी में ही होना है, तो they like लंदन में ही रहना है तुझे while working. तो ये बंदे ने VPN बनाए and he's realized के पोर्चुगल में रेंट सस्ता है, तो ये पोर्चुगल में जा के रहने लग गया. And he had to come to the office on Wednesdays. Wednesdays go, he would call in sick. So every alternate Wednesday, and the flights are cheaper. So he would come for 2 Wednesdays a month and come work 9 to 5 and then catch a flight back to Portugal on that Wednesday. But they found out he got fired. But basically that एक दिन आने बोल रहे तुम लोग को और तुम उधर भी झूठ बोल रहे हो, तो then it gets screwed up ना.
No, I read this now. In Amsterdam, you can get up to 70% of your salary. You can stay at home for 2 years of being absent. You are still liable to get 70% of your salary. What a great deal. अगर तू 2 साल घर पे बैठा है, sick हो, जो भी whatever the reason is, and you still get 70% of what
This
you
is
make.
why they make those jokes, na, कि you know, you call a employee in America or India और वो लोग दिन रात काम कर रहे हैं, right? You call a person in Europe, वो लोग आधा साल छुट्टी पे.
छुट्टी पे.
Actually, if you call an employee in India or America, the person answering the phone is
India.
always an Indian.
No, by the way, sorry, wait, to just bring that up again, there was an AI company that went bust recently
Oh, बहुत funny.
because because it turns out that their entire AI solution was 700 Indian.
So it was a coding company, I think. So they were making
Yeah.
code. Yeah, they were writing code.
Yeah.
So तू prompt डाल रहा है, जल्दी से एक बंदा बैठ के कोड लिख के वापस भेज रहा है and pretending to be AI.
Artificial Indians.
No, it's AI, but it's actual Indian,
Actual
actual intelligence.
Yeah, actual Indians. Fuck, crazy.
So, last
Okay, there's
one.
talking of intelligence.
Oh.
This one thing has divided the internet, and I'm going to test you guys on their mathematics skills.
Oh no.
I think Varun has an edge over Kautuk here.
Clearly.
So this happened recently at a barber shop in China. This woman goes in for a haircut. The guy cuts her hair, and now she realizes ये अपना wallet भूल गई है. So she's like, oh shit, what do I do? तो ये barber को बोलती है कि can you give me 100 so that I can go home and get my wallet to pay you. So now the barber is like, अच्छा, he reluctantly gives the 100.
How much
Okay,
the
and
haircut was?
उसमें से
Sorry. How much
हाँ
the haircut was?
हाँ, so then she pays 30 out of the 100 he gives her for the haircut. ये haircut का 30 रख, and then she goes back and comes back and pays the barber 100 rupees more. 100 rupees नहीं, whatever, हाँ, yen, sorry, हाँ, जो भी उनका है. So she gives 100 more. Now, the internet is divided whether she has underpaid the guy, like she's overpaid him or underpaid him. Half the people are saying she should only return 70 back to him
Why?
because and half the people are saying that she's not returned enough.
She took 100, which was his.
Yeah,
Then
Yeah,
she gave him 30 of his money back.
yeah.
yeah, which was for the haircut.
हाँ,
And then she went back and came and gave another 100.
correct.
So she's done the right thing.
हाँ, अबे उसने उसको 100 रुपए दिया, लड़की ने 30 वापस दिया. उसने लिया ना, 70 लिया ना हाथ में घर जाने के लिए. फिर वो
हाँ,
70 यूज किया, तो उसका टोटल द अमाउंट दैट शी हैज टेकन इज 100. 70.
Yes.
70.
She has taken 70. She's not taken 100. She's taken only 70 rupees.
Hmm.
Because the 30 that she gave him back was his own fucking money. So now when she's come back and given him 100, when she's come back and given him 100, she has given him more money.
No, she's not. She owed him. Okay. The haircut was for 30. Okay. And she has taken another 100 from the guy. So now she's taken from
She's actually
100 from the
minus-
hairdresser, and
minus
so she
130.
owes him a total of half 130.
Correct.
Okay. So she gave him 30 before she left.
How
She came
does she
back and
owe him
gave
130?
because उसने 100 उससे लिया and the haircut
was-
is for 30. So the
was-
total amount she has to hand it over to him is 130.
She was
तो
minus
उससे 100
30.
में से
She was
yeah.
minus 30 to begin with because the haircut cost 30. So she was minus 30. Then this guy.
When
has
you get
given-
into this, it gets complicated. हाँ,
the guy gives her 100. Okay. So
हाँ.
now he is technically owed 130 rupees.
How? He is technically,
उसने 100 दिया है ना.
उसने 100
उसने
दिया.
100 दिया. हाँ.
If the dude gives the girl 100 rupees, the dude
Yes.
is owed back 100 rupees.
This is
But उसका haircut भी तो
brain
किया
wash.
उसने, तो
मैं बोल रहा
130
हूँ.
is owed.
हाँ, but वो वही ओड में से वापस दे रही है ना उसको.
पर उसका ही पैसा है ना.
उसको 100 ही देना है. उसको 100 ही देना है.
अबे लेकिन फिर उसको हेयरकट का पैसा कैसे मिलेगा बेचारे
अच्छा
को?
ठाकुर ठाकुर सोच तेरे साथ ये हुआ है. ठीक है तू गया हेयरकट लेने को.
हाँ.
ठीक है या तू हेयरकट तू बार्बर है.
अबे तुमको एक बजाओ क्या कान के नीचे?
रुक ना रुक
कान
ना.
के नीचे
अबे-
बजाओ.
तू हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट है. ठीक है ठाकुर.
अबे तू मेरे को उसमें डाल के कुछ घंटा फर्क पड़ रहा
नहीं
है.
नहीं योर
अरे
अरे sometimes you have to step into
your
the
brain will
story.
work better if
Bro,
you're the
bro,
best.
hear me out. The haircut is 30 rupees.
Yes.
ठीक है. The dude, the barber has given
अभी
this
सोच
girl.
वो तू है.
हाँ, मैं बार्बर हूँ भोसड़ी. मैं बार्बर हूँ. मैंने लड़की को
Barber is
100
a good
रुपए दिया. एक
profession.
मिनट रुक. एक
It's a
मिनट
great
चुप.
profession.
एक मिनट चुप. मैंने लड़की को 100 रुपया दिया है. ठीक है, उधार. अभी हाउ मच इज द गर्ल ओ मी 100 रुपीज. वो 100 रुपए का वो जला देती है, पाव भाजी खाती है, हेयर कट देती है, रिक्शा पकड़ती है, जो भी वो उसके ऊपर है. From
हाँ.
that 100 that I owe her, where I'm going to get 100 back, she has given me 30 back. It's not his
Yeah.
own money. It is his own money, but the money that he has lent to her.
Yeah,
Okay.
so now it's
So
her money.
now it's her money. So from her money, she has given him 30 rupees और 70 रुपया बचा है. वो घर
हाँ.
गई और वो आई और इसको देने का है 100 रुपया, which includes the 70 of travel and the 30 for the haircut that she owed him. But because she has to pay him back, she has to give him ऊपर से. समझा? 100 रुपया करेक्ट है. उसने ज्यादा कम नहीं दिया, उसने करेक्ट दिया है. She shouldn't have given him the 30. She should have said, I'll go home and come back.
Correct.
मुझे 100 रुपया दे. 100 रुपया मैं घर जाके वापस आई होगी और उसने बोला ये ले भाई 100 रुपया, ठीक है,
और?
तो तूने मुझे दिया था.
हाँ?
और अभी
और?
बता हेयर कट का कितना है. बट ये उसको नहीं करना पड़ा क्योंकि उसने पहले से 30 रुपए दे दिए थे. इसलिए वो
Yes.
130 थे, वो 100 रुपए देगी.
ठाकुर अभी
ये पहले गया है, मैं 130 रुपए क्यों दूंगी अनलेस मैं टिप दे रही हूँ. और मेरे
अबे तू अभी औरत कैसे बन गया? तू
it.
बाबर था ना.
हाँ तेरा मोटिवेशन था यार ठाकुर.
अपना कैरेक्टर ब्रेक
कोई
मत
अच्छा
कर.
स्पाइक कट करता है. ठीक है.
हाँ.
मैंने क्लैरिटी दे दिया. एग्जैक्टली करेक्ट है. अभी क्या हुआ फिर? फाइनल आंसर क्या है? इंटरनेट ने डिवाइड करके कितना हुआ फिर?
वही आधे लोग पब्लिक लड़ रहे हैं कि व्हाई डिड शी गिव दिस मच, क्योंकि उसको खाली 70 वापस देने. उसने 30 तो दे दिया उसको. आई डोंट नो वेयर द 70 नंबर कम्स इन.
This was great, Adar. This was superb. I think after psychopath test, this was must.
Okay, internet is divided on another thing. Chinese tech firms are currently hiring. Chinese tech firms are currently hiring cheerleaders, like actual cheerleaders, like not like मतलब बैठ के वो पॉम पॉम लेके नहीं घूम रहे, but
What is
they
actual
are hiring.
cheerleaders?
Basically, these are people. Okay, so they are now hiring girls who are kind of pretty to be in the office and then talk to people around and then motivate them while they're working. Oh wow, you're doing a great job, and just the walks away back to her desk.
Guys,
So
Wait,
this is-
wait. 1 second. These people who are working there, are these women pretending to be working there, or do
Yes,
these guys know that
they're
these women
pretending
have been
to- They're
hired?
pretending, yeah, they've been hired to just motivate everybody, but the workers don't know that they've been
हाँ.
hired for just this purpose.
हाँ.
So now internet
Can I tell
divided.
you what this is? This is HR approved Sydney Sweeney bathwater.
Yeah. Correct.
This
Anyway,
is
so what is the internet divided on? ये हमारे ऑफिस में क्यों नहीं हो रहा?
हाँ, this is you're manipulating workers and also you're taking advantage of people. But then technically, like they're just coming and just going, you're doing a good job and walking away.
That
That's
there's
their
no
entire job.
any other promise of any relationship or any
Nothing.
कुछ नहीं
It's
करना.
just वो ऐसे बैठा अपने लैपटॉप पे काम कर रहा है and like the girl he probably has a crush on in the office is like, oh, okay, great. तो मैं और मेहनत से काम करेगा अभी.
dude, like suddenly this company goes like, guys, लोग आजकल छुट्टी नहीं ले रहे हैं, वर्क फ्रॉम होम नहीं कर रहे हैं.
कोई वर्क फ्रॉम होम ही नहीं कर रहा है.
क्या हो रहा
संडे
है?
को क्यों आया है? संडे को क्यों आया हो आज? हाँ, गुड वर्क. अरे तुम भी यहाँ पर हो. गुड वर्क सर. थैंक यू सो मच. बॉस जिसने हायर किया लड़की, अभी वो लड़की बॉस को भी बोल रही गुड जॉब, तो बॉस भी खुश हो गया. यार ये सच में काम अच्छा करता है यार. वेरी गुड. बोर्ड मीटिंग बुलाओ.
By the way, can I just tell you tangential but related? So Air Asia CEO Tony Fernandez, okay,
Has hired stewardesses who just come and say, have a good flight.
no,
Have a good flight.
no, he was in a
So you're
management,
drinking that tea very well.
he was in a management meeting, okay,
हाँ.
and basically he posted a picture of himself on LinkedIn. जिधर वो meeting ले रहा है, but he's shirtless.
Oh,
Wow, why?
मसाज दे रहा था.
that's the opening scene in शैतान हवेली, bro. उसको मैंने देखा है, ऐसे वो मसाज ले रहा है और मीटिंग कर रहा है फोन पे. ये एक्चुअली कर रहा है. जूम कॉल चल रहा है.
And he put it online and he said कि he proudly showcased the unique workplace culture.
1 second, why are we calling Dan Bilzerian a CEO? What's
Yeah.
But look, massage shirtless. Can
who
you
the employees are massaging him?
No.
Acha, okay, acha, he didn't reach that level. So there's a masseuse massaging him while he's taking a meeting. That's the
There's a masseuse, but he's shirtless. But how do you how do you look at your boss and take whatever he says
Yeah.
seriously while he's getting his
Oh, this
chakras open?
quarter,
And
it's
how is this
really
boss
down.
paying
Yeah.
attention to graphs and charts and oof, yeah,
The profits are really down, down, lower.
lower. No, sir, the profits are high. No, niche or niche. No, no, sir, they are going up. Niche, daba. Sir, we can't.
तो फैक्ट कि तू प्रेजेंट कर रहा है और तेरे बॉस के दोनों निपल बाहर है,
Oh no.
तो कैसे कर पाएगा यार?
Fuck.
Can you imagine the misuse?
ये कहाँ है? ये कहाँ है? कौन से देश में हो रहा है ये? किधर इंडिया में हो रहा है? इंडिया में हो रहा है? क्या
Air
बात
Asia,
कर
Air
रहा है?
Asia.
इंडिया में
Oh, fuck.
इंडिया में हो रहा है भाई. And so the can you imagine also the misuse who is now privy to like confidential Air Asia
Yeah, वो जाके
information?
अलग से एयर एशिया के स्टॉक्स हेज कर रहा है. उसको पता है वो जाके इनसाइडर इंफॉर्मेशन ट्रेड कर रहा है वहां पे.
हाँ.
आपको ये कैसे पता? दीज आर ऑयली सीक्रेट्स आई कैन शेयर विद यू.
Yeah, I
ये
have.
उसको सारे सीक्रेट्स मालूम पड़ गए. उन लोग ने उसने एयर एशिया के अगेंस्ट बेट किया, स्टॉक गिरा, पैसा आ गया. अभी ये जो सीईओ है ना, ये मसूस को मसाज कर रहा है कि सर आप आपके
उसने
क्या स्ट्रेटेजी है?
उसने हॉस्टाइल टेक ओवर कर लिया एयर एशिया का.
साले, मैं तुझे मसाज करता था, अभी इधर दबा दबा. यस सॉरी सर.
Oh fuck, man.
So guys, this has got
क्या
the
बचा?
internet divided. I need to know what side you're on. See,
What's
when
up?
you drop someone at the airport, there's those guys. एक तो some people take too much time while saying bye, so they create a
Yes,
traffic jam.
yes.
Then there are the poor people who are working their ass off all day in the sun, whatever heat, who are asking these people to move on.
ये कौन सा
कि
ओपन
आगे
एयर
बढ़ो.
एयरपोर्ट है? अच्छा, हाँ,
अबे
जो पार्किंग वाले,
मुंबई,
पार्किंग
हाँ
वाले.
मुंबई, हाँ. When you're passing, dropping and like departure पे. नाउ क्या हुआ, कोई टैक्सी वाले को बोला निकलो. सो नाउ एट द मुंबई टर्मिनल 2, द नाइस इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट, प्रॉपर फिस्ट फाइट हैज ब्रोकन आउट between cab drivers and the people who are handling the traffic. And it has gone to the point where लोगों का स्लीव्स फट गया है, मारा मारी कर रहे हैं.
Oh,
This is at the
Oh,
airport.
shit.
So whose
yes.
side are you on? The taxi drivers or the people who are supposed to be handling the traffic?
I'm
उसका स्लीव भी फाड़ दिया सब कुछ.
oh shit, मार रहे
And
भाई.
police and then बड़ी commandos have had to come and intervene.
Must. Like, this is the kind of like, यही तो चाहिए ना, like, you get a taste of India as soon as you exit. कि तुम निकलते ये मैक्स मुंबई.
अराइवल पे पब्लिक धो रहा है एक दूसरे को. ए टैक्सी चाहिए, टैक्सी.
देखा मास्क सर, टैक्सी चाहिए? नहीं, वो तेरे को ही मारता है. हाँ, अभी चाहिए? हाँ हाँ, चलो
हाँ,
हॉस्पिटल लेके
चाहिए.
चलो.
Yesterday, but sometimes you just like you I don't know, like sometimes they just go like अभी मैं I wanted a rickshaw, so this guy comes up to me. अब मैं रास्ते पे चल रहा हूँ, I'm trying to find my Uber rickshaw. तो मैं चल रहा हूँ, ढूंढ रहा हूँ, तो एक आदमी आता है मेरे बगल में, आता है, बोलता है कहाँ जाना है. से नहीं नहीं मेरा है. अरे कहाँ जाना है बताओ तो. मैं बोला लोखंड वाला जाना है. नहीं. अबे तूने 2 बार पूछा. मैं क्या पीछे. You basically baited me into being rejected.
I feel like, I feel like they should enlist the rickshaw guys in Raw and they should use this tactic to break down spies. कि this is a new form of torture. कि तू
Yeah.
ISI एजेंट को और तू उसको बोल, वो पूछता रहेगा अंदर ही जाओगे? नहीं, अंदर ही जाओगे. ये ले सीक्रेट्स.
मैंने किया, अगले बॉम्ब यहाँ पर प्लांटेड है, अभी अंदर ही जाओगे? नहीं.
नहीं.
क्योंकि अंदर ही में बॉम्ब है.
अबे fuck.
बाय द वे, तुमने वो देखा क्या कि there's one debate that has internet divided again and it just was stupid. The debate is, can 100 men take down a gorilla? Have you guys seen that?
Yes. Guys,
Who are these
I
dumb
am
men
on gorilla.
that-
I don't think I need to say whose side I'm on. Okay, I am
No,
on the gorilla
I want to
side.
know who's on the side of these 100 men.
Who's on the side? I am. I'm on the
Of the
side.
100 men. Okay, not
Yeah.
without weapons and all.
100
Yeah.
men still. Like,
Guys, this is an AI
This is a
rendition.
simulation.
Yeah. So this is the simulation that caused the entire debate, where gorilla he just
फोड़ रहा है
100 आदमियों को दो फोड़ रहा है बैठ के. But also,
फोड़ तो रहा
it's
है.
like a gorilla is trained in taekwondo, judo. No gorilla is punching. I have never seen a gorilla do a proper like this
Simulation
kind of a
थोड़ा
I mean,
punch.
he's not proper punching. He's just swatting people. Of course, he's going to beat
Yeah,
them
but
up.
also देख okay, I am like मेरा दिल तो गोरिल्ला के साथ है. देखो दिल दिल से तो मैं गोरिल्ला के साथ हूँ.
Technically, Sunil Shetty has taken on 100 men and one. But if you discount
So was
Say
Sunny
Sunil
Deol.
Shetty is a gorilla.
no,
Sunil
no,
Shetty is a gorilla.
no. I'm saying the gorilla would be slightly harder than Sunil Shetty, but
Slightly.
Slightly.
I don't think you realize what the fuck a gorilla is, bro.
I don't think
ये
you
कोई-
realize what a Sunil Shetty is.
Yeah,
Yeah, you
no,
don't
I
realize
realize
what
what a
Sunil
Sunil
Shetty
Shetty is. He's hard. He's a very hard guy. But to say that he is a gorilla is only slightly harder and stronger than Sunil Shetty is a bit much. वो gorilla है, bro. You're not understanding. If gorilla hits you, you are
But okay,
incapacitated.
can a gorilla beat 100 Sunil Shettis?
Guys,
That's
Yes,
the question.
yes,
No chance.
yes.
No
Abbe,
chance.
100 Sunil Shettis.
Imagine 100 Balwan with the strength and intelligence of
Bro, if a gorilla is hitting a dude, that dude ain't coming back for another. Hey, मैं अभी second time पे I'll get him. No. तेरे को अगर गोरिल्ले ने दे दिया तो खत्म है भाई. तू
Gorilla. देख, there was a gorilla in Hera Pheri. Okay, and we've seen this. Was
which
there
is
a
a
gorilla
guy in a
Hera-
gorilla suit, FYI.
Yeah.
No, but it was, if you apply suspension of disbelief, it was actual gorilla.
Yeah, that was a gorilla. And Sunil Shetty's handled it beautifully.
It handled it pretty well.
Yeah.
So, I think one
Okay,
Sunil Shetty
would a
take on
gorilla
one
be able to
gorilla.
take on 100 John Abrahams? Chal.
Easy. No, very tough, impossible.
I feel 100 some super trained like Navy SEAL type men जिन लोग को कुछ आता है शायद.
नहीं यार, Thakur, you're underestimating how intelligent 100 men are or 100 people.
अरे
Look-
but once
अरे वो
again, they
he's
don't
on the
have
side of the
weapons,
Navy
weapons,
Seals.
nothing. They have nothing.
Ah, so
They're just in one fucking area with this rampaging gorilla.
तूने खो खो देखा है क्या कभी लाइफ?
हाँ.
तो फिर उसपे झपट्टा मारेंगे ना.
But also, like if 5 men get on the gorilla's back and try to choke
Ah.
him out,
Yeah.
it can
One
happen.
second. You just say the sentence, 5 men get on gorilla and choke him out. हाँ, बोलना बहुत easy है. You know what it takes to mount a gorilla, bro?
You know how much effort it takes
Also,
to
guys-
beat 100 men?
No, but also one second. I think we're overestimating all these simulations for some reason really overestimate the size of the gorilla. Like I don't know why. Like the gorilla
No,
is
that seems fine.
the average gorilla is not this big. First of
No,
all,
it seems fine. No,
But-
but I'm telling you, like I think what you guys are underestimating is the fact that it takes a lot of effort to get to 100 men. So gorilla also
Yeah.
tires out at some point.
Also, all these
That's
simulations
Mara.
are showing these men
These
like are they
Mara,
sideways,
these
you know,
Mara.
जैसे henchmen की तरह कोने में खड़े रहते हैं, and then they attack when the time is right. If all 100
No,
attack
imagine
simultaneously,
they all play Kho with gorilla. So
Hmm.
gorilla is like Kho, and sorry, kabaddi. Not Kho-Kho.
कबड्डी,
I was getting
खो-खो
it-
क्या खेल रहे हो लोग? तो ऐसे लाइन में gorilla
I was getting-
लग रहा है।
हाँ, मैं वही मेरे को समझा नहीं. इसने पहले भी खो बोला. मैं बोला,
खो
इसने-
खो पे लगा हुआ है and I'm trying to ignore कि हमको गलत निकल गया होगा उसके
That's
मुंह
नहीं,
से।
and I
वही
didn't
तो मैं सोच
understand
रहा हूँ
where he
यार.
was going with Kho and why are 100 men playing Kho with a gorilla.
That's why I also couldn't understand why you guys didn't get it. But kabaddi is the
हाँ.
correct one. Kabaddi is the correct sport. So if you've seen kabaddi, right? झपटा मारा, 5 लोग ने, एक आदमी down. Right now, gorilla, even if you say it's 10x more than आदमी.
चूतिए कितने टन का होगा गोरिल्ला? चूतिए उसको तो खचाप करके फकाप करके उसको गिरा नहीं देगा तू.
Now just
गोरिल्ला
imagine
को.
thought experiment is कि gorilla comes saying कबड्डी. तो फिर 100 लोग ऐसे ऐसे घूम रहे हैं उसके अराउंड, ठीक है? Every time he tries to do झपटा, people move to the side. He does झपटा, they move to the side. Then they all form a circle around him. Then they pounce on him when he's tired and he's exhausted. And then they get.
I don't know if you've ever been in the general vicinity of a fucking gorilla, bro. I don't understand why you think while you are doing all of this, the gorilla is just standing there.
No, he's
इतने में रुक जाता हूँ.
he's also attacking. But
Yeah, you
not
disperse,
far
na?
away.
You're dispersing and you're
Ah.
confusing. You're basically the bull attacking and you're just. But gorilla is intelligent. one thing, the only thing that could probably be in the 100 men's favor is this
Only thing.
gorilla needs to be crazy rabid. Gorillas
So,
essentially just want to intimidate and back off. Gorillas don't want to really get into a fist fight.
okay, can I tell you?
Let me tell you, the gorilla that's gotten into the fucking ground with these 100 men is not going to be like, हाँ चल मैं chill करता हूँ. He's going to fucking run through them, and they're all going to fall like 9 pins.
Guys, you underestimate the resilience,
Yeah.
the intelligence, and just the sheer number of
Not in the
100
first, maybe
human
after
beings.
5 of these, we'll all come
No, you're
and be like,
telling me,
hey,
देख ये जो पीछे जो public खड़ा है, who are not doing anything right now.
Exactly.
Okay, suppose those people ran
yeah, because
जब
they
while
are
he's
beat.
beating
They
10
are
people.
beat. उन लोग का मुंह ऐसा है फिलहाल, क्योंकि उसको गोरिल्ला ने एक झापड़ मारा. वो खड़ा नहीं है आदमी, वो मर चुका है. या
नहीं, I think if 5 people get on his back, they can forcibly choke him out because गर्दन तो गर्दन ही है.
And if
You know,
we
and the
are
gorilla is
really,
will have trouble. You know, the gorilla will actually have trouble like getting छोटा सा आदमी है ना, तो how does the gorilla scratch and
वो
grab these
भागेगा,
guys?
वो भागेगा.
dude, 50 मच्छर like तेरे को नीचे ले लेंगे यार. तू क्या
नहीं
बोल रहा है?
नहीं, चैलेंज
50 मच्छर नहीं.
So,
चैलेंज.
if you have 50 machhar and you are just doing that, you will eventually give up because you'll get tired. So that is machhar.
You're
But
assuming I'm just going to do this. I'll wait and I will
हाँ, तो कितना
fucking
कितना
kill
करेगा?
them.
कितना करेगा? My point
पता
is, my point is at some point, like if we are very cynical and ruthless, and we say कि we are willing to expend 50 people, तो तुम लोग जाके मर जाओ. If we have to win this collectively, 50 people go and fucking tire the gorilla out. The remaining, we still have 50 in surplus to choke this fucking thing out. अपन कर
Okay,
लेंगे
guys.
यार.
Okay,
Not
guys.
believing in.
Agree to disagree.
देख मैं दिल से गोरिल्ला के साथ हूँ. I want the gorilla to win always, but I think the gorilla would most likely lose.
And this is peak brain rot content.
Yeah.
Apologies for bringing
And
this.
now the next step on this is somebody else has created a simulation whether 100 gorillas could take on 1,000 men.
Oh, and
And that has gone horrible because the 100 gorillas, when they're together, they destroy people. That one gorilla, chal theek hai, I can understand. But 100 gorillas,
अबे
no chance. तुम 10,000 आदमी डालो, ये 100 गोरिल्ला अगर ऐसे बन गए झुंड में, nobody can come through.
okay. I have to tell you about this one last piece of news. Okay.
हाँ.
It's amazing. Full divided the internet and how cleaved it in two. The internet has never been fused again. So, so, so basically, this guy makes a reel. Okay, posts it. He's a Guju guy in Canada. He says, मैं अपने दोस्त के घर पे आया. अपन like मेरा दोस्त भी गुज्जू है. एंड अपन कैसे पैसा बचाते हैं मैं बताता हूँ. तो मेरा दोस्त बोला चल चाय बनाते हैं. मैं बोला हाँ ठीक है. दूध कहाँ है? बोलता है वो दरवाजा खोल मिल जाएगा तेरे को. तो मैं फ्रिज का दरवाजा खोला. फ्रिज खाली है. मैं बोला कौन सा दरवाजा खोलूं? उसने कहा अरे मेन डोर खोलना. तो इसने मेन डोर खोला. एंड बेसिकली हिज फ्रेंड हैज यूज्ड द -15 degrees of Canada, the natural -15 degrees of Canada, as a fridge. And
सवाल.
he has kept all his food, all his leftovers, all the just like patela of stuff outside.
अच्छा,
in the
पतीला
cold.
भी बाहर रख दिया उसने.
सब out.
वो फ्रीज हो जाएगा ना.
हाँ मतलब देखो, थोड़ी चीजें फ्रिज में रखने होते हैं जो
हाँ.
हर चीज को आइस से कवर ना कर दे, और थोड़े चीजें फ्रीजर में रखने होते हैं.
ये कल की दाल को फ्रीज करने की जरूरत नहीं थी.
अब ये कल की दाल बन गई आइस एज की दाल.
हाँ. ये दाल
वापस
सिकल्स. ये क्या है? ये दाल सिकल्स है.
वो दाल चावल ऐसा. ये
वाओ.
वाह, मजा आया. ये क्या, खिचड़ी? हाँ? ठीक
खिचड़ी.
है. अच्छा एक काम करो, उंधियो देते ये लेना. सिर्फ सब स्टेक स्टेक डाल के बाहर
छोले
रख दे.
छोले भटूरे आइसक्रीम.
but the thing is, if you were a neighbor of this guy, और तू देख रहा है
ऐसे अरे भूख लगी है. हाँ, जस्ट वो रेजी के फ्रंट डोर पे सारा खाना रखा है.
तो बेसिकली उसका वो लिटरली बोल रहा है कि इसका जो कल का बचा हुआ खाना है वो सब बाहर रख दिया उसने, ठीक है, एंड शोइंग कि एल्यूमिनियम फॉइल है।
अच्छा,
ये
बचा के
ये
भी रखा
ये
था।
एक्चुअली उसको एज फ्रीजर यूज कर रहे हैं नेचर को.
हाँ
So he has to thaw his food each time he's fucking eating it.
या
You're like, आज खाना लग गया, हाँ मैं अभी बस थॉ करने रख रहा हूँ तो 6 घंटे में रेडी हो जाएगी अपना खाना,
इसका
अपना
कटलरी,
पॉप्सिकल.
इसका कटलरी, स्पून, फोर्क, नाइफ एंड पिकैक्स।
या
एंड टंग चाटना पड़ रहा है इसको अपना खाना भाई. ये खा नहीं पाएगा.
And this is to save, this
गलती
is to
से
save the
रात को
life.
दारू पी रहा है, अब कोई तोड़ के लेके आता है, अरे विस्की में दाल क्यों है? नहीं वो थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो गया.
अरे गलत
नहीं
गलत वाला
यार,
तोड़ दिया, अरे
यार मैं ये तो भूल ही गया कि मुझे आइस क्यूब, असली आइस क्यूब चाहिए होंगे अभी. क्या करूं दाल को विस्की के साथ? हाँ आप वही पी ले अभी, फकेट.
विस्की दाल।
विस्की वेस्ट
बाय द
नहीं
वे
कर सकता.
भाई, विस्की दाल इज अ वेरी फेमस डिश,
What?
सो डोंट या विस्की तड़का ऑन द दाल. देयर इज अ प्लेस इन लंदन आई थिंक, और नो आई थिंक दिल्ली के आसपास देयर इज अ गाय हु डज अ तड़का इन
क्या?
विस्की.
क्या?
I don't know where
अरे
I saw
लंदन
this
नहीं नहीं,
video.
दिल्ली के आसपास.
I don't know where
क्या
this
है?
video was. Either it's Wembley or Delhi. I don't know. And it's easy to get confused. You guys don't understand. Wembley is Chota Delhi.
That's
So this
crazy.
guy is running running like and his famous dish is whiskey तड़का दाल. तो लिटरली विस्की में तड़का बनाता है एंड जस्ट सीधा दाल के अंदर, एंड पीपल आर लविंग इट.
Wow, getting high on, on the dal. Amazing. चल,
चलो
दाल ब्लू लेबल.
खत्म. मेरा जबड़े दर्द कर रहे हैं हंस के. और okay, with that we've come to the end of this episode of the Internet Said So. We were discussing a few things that the internet is divided on. Let us know in the comments other stuff that the internet is divided on, other stuff that the TIS army is divided on, and we'll take some of those and make a part two at some point. But yeah, that's it from this episode. Thank you so much. Reminder about the tickets once again, sub link niche, please click karo, please show ke liye aao. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again next week. Until then, it's goodbye. Take care. Tata. Salamesh. ये क्या है? बंदर खाना बना रहा है. ये चूतिया
या
इसने गिराया होगा विस्की दाल.
ये है विस्की दाल. नो दिस इज द, आई थिंक ये क्या अंडा बना रहा है. आई थिंक ही मेक्स एग्स.
bro, this is AI.
हाउ मेनी हाउ मेनी chimpanzees does it take to make one dal tadka?
उफ,
Can this one monkey
क्या पकौड़े
feed
तल रहा
100
है, क्या
men?
है, क्या कर रहा है वो?
पता नहीं, स्टर फ्राई कर रहा है अंडा वंडा डाल के कुछ, और भाजी भाजी भी डाल रहा है अंदर.
Bro, like, can you imagine the guy who gets the dish, has it,
इसको
he
इतना
loves
मजा
it.
आ रहा है ये
Like,
करते
he
हुए.
loves it, Thakur. The guy,
Yeah.
customer loves it. He's like, I'd like to speak to the chef.
My compliments to the chef.
And then ये बाहर निकलता है कि क्या हो गया भाई?
Thank you.
And that's where the fight starts. Chimpanzee versus 100 men.